Good morning, students. Earlier, as you know that we have done the we have completed a chapter. Recent I have taken the test of chapter 1 and 9. Correct, that I have taken, and chapter 13, which we have not done the revision. So first we will go for the revision of chapter 13. Then I will take the test of that. Then we will continue, because I think these chapters were these are the main which will come in your PT2. PT1 syllabus also is coming there, but in the PT2 chapter syllabus what we are having, their chapter 13 is remaining where I have not taken the test. Correct. So I will take the chapter 13 separate. Then we will start the chapter 2, 3, then 4, 5. Then like this I will take again. Means 5, 6 or 5, 7 already I have taken the test, but like this I will take. Okay. So today we are going to start the revision of chapter 13. In revision of chapter 13, in your previous class 9th, what you have read, that time we have read about the 4 figures were there, if you remember. That was cuboid, we can say, and we were having our cylinder, we were having our cone, and we were having a sphere. Correct. In there were 8 exercises were there in that chapter, in the class. 13 till 13.4 we have read about the areas: curved surface area, lateral surface area, total surface area, and then rest 4 we have talked about the volume. Correct. About that 4 shapes only. In class 10th we will not talk about the particular shape. We are going to talk about the combination shape. Means in one figure 3 types of figures can be combined. So that type of shape figure we are going to be taught. As you know that we are doing revision chapter already we have done. So what we will do from there, means today we will try to take only exercise 13.1. Tomorrow in the form of live class I will take the exercise 13.2 and 13.3. We will try to cover up. As you know, formulas only are there for the chapter 30 which you need to complete. If the formula you have learned, so I don't think so there will be any problem, because the calculation and the formula, 2 things are there which is important, which are the important for you to do. So what we will do today, I will take the some questions there which we means try to explain you the topic. The word topic is there. Okay. So from your book only I will take the topic, means questions. So see your exercise 13.1. From exercise 13.1 I will try to take the question number 5, which we have marked for the homework. Rest we have done classwork. So homework means all we are having questions like that, only you need to understand what it is. So to explain it only I have taken the questions. So try to understand. Okay. So question number 5 we're going to solve. What is in this question? A hemispherical depression is cut out from one face to a cubical wooden block such that the diameter L of the hemisphere is equal to the area of the cube. Determine the surface area of the remaining solid. Means अब अगर इसको हिंदी में समझने की कोशिश की जाए तो there is a shape of a cube. एक क्यूब आपके पास शेप है, you know about the how what type of cube shape we are having. तो एक क्यूब शेप है, उसमें क्या किया है, आपके हेमिस्फीयर पोर्शन को कट किया है उसमें से. ठीक है. अब जब आपने एक क्यूब शेप हो गई, मतलब आपकी इस तरीके से, अगर मैं रफ फिगर हम बनाते जाए समझने के लिए, तो दिस टाइप ऑफ क्यूब शेप वी आर हैविंग. ओके. एंड वेयर दे हैव गिवन द साइड L. Means this will be L, this will be L, and this L, B, H I have taken here. These all 3 are L only there. Then they have said there one hemisphere we cut out from there. Means if I will say, suppose this type of like this base I will take like this, and means here it will come like this. Okay, and this type of hemisphere, it's a 3D figure बेटा. Okay, so try to understand. इस तरीके की शेप है आपकी, उसमें से इस तरीके का आपका हेमिस्फीयर उसमें कट हो रहा है. ठीक. अब ये आपका L है. अगर मैं हेमिस्फीयर की रेडियस की बात करूँ, चलो पहले बाद में बताते पहले ये देखते हैं कि मेन फॉर्मूला निकल के क्या आएगा. अब इसमें ये बात करें तो मुझे इस पूरी मतलब निकालने के बाद में, काटने के बाद में जो शेप पूरी बची हुई है रिमेनिंग शेप, मुझे इसका एरिया फाइंड करना है. यहाँ तक कि हम इस एक्सरसाइज में यहाँ पे हम लोग 13.1 में केवल एरियाज की बात करेंगे. ठीक है. तो मुझे वो एरिया निकालना है. तो वो एरिया किस तरीके से निकाला जाएगा, उसमें हमें क्या करना होगा, पहले तो हम निकालेंगे सबसे पहले तो सरफेस एरिया ऑफ दिस क्यूब. कंप्लीट क्यूब निकाल देंगे. सरफेस एरिया ऑफ क्यूब क्या होता है हमारा, जो आप इसके पूरी जो आपको क्यूब दिखाई दे रहा है, जब इसका आप निकालोगे सी ऐसे आप इसका निकालोगे पूरा, तो क्या निकल के आएगा हमारा, वो हो जाएगा हमारा 6 साइड स्क्वायर, ठीक है, वो हो गया आपका। फिर आप इसमें क्या करोगे, ये जो कट हुआ है इसको प्लस करोगे, लेकिन ये जो ऊपर वाला हिस्सा है ये बाहर जा चुका है, तो ये वाला जो एरिया है, एरिया ऑफ द सर्कल यू कैन से पाई आर स्क्वायर, इसे माइनस करना पड़ेगा। मीन्स व्हाट फॉर्मूला विल कम अकॉर्डिंग टू बुकिश लैंग्वेज, द एरिया ऑफ द रिमेनिंग फिगर विल बी इक्वल्स टू CSE ऑफ क्यूब प्लस surface area of hemisphere, correct, minus area of this base. Area of this base we will do, so we will get our answer. Here they have not given us the values, they have just talking about the L in this form, so we will talk in this form only. I'm not going to sort out, just hint only I'm giving. So like this we are going to solve. Language already I told you how to find, or you can understand by this also. Suppose you have brought the ice cream brick, you brought, okay, that is in the rectangle form, but suppose you have brought it, okay, फिर आपने उसमें से कोई स्कूप, जब आप स्कूप्स लेते हो, जब आपने कोई इसमें से अपना लिया स्कूप कट किया उसमें से आपने, तो वो जो एक शेप बनी उसके अंदर की जो शेप बनी कट की, वो आपकी हेमिस्फीयर है। लेकिन जो उसका ऊपर का बेस है, जो ऊपर की एक लाइन थी पहले, जो पूरे जो सरफेस था, प्लेन सरफेस था, वो अब प्लेन सरफेस नहीं रहा, वो इस तरीके की शेप आपकी हो गई, ये वाला हिस्सा उसमें से जा चुका है। मतलब जो शेप को आप देखते हो तो वो शेप कुछ आपको इस तरीके से नजर आती है, ये नजर आती है वो शेप आपको, ये ऊपर वाला बेस नजर नहीं आता है, तो वो चीज आपको इसमें से माइनस करती है। Got this? So what we will do, then completely first you will write the language, then here L is this, L is equals to, means L is equals to L, B is equals to L, and H is equals to L. Directly I am just talking, when I will take the surface area of cube plus surface area of hemisphere, correct, hemisphere, and minus area of base, area of hemisphere's base, area of base, hemisphere base, and hemisphere base if we are talking, so it will be the shape of a, what type of shape it is, it is the shape of a circle, pi r square it is, correct. So now the radius will be what, if this was the L, ये पूरा डायमीटर आपका L रहा, तो जब इसकी हम रेडियस की बात करें, मतलब डायमीटर तो आपके पास हो गया L, ये जो हेमिस्फीयर के लिए, क्योंकि ये इसके डायमीटर के लिए वर्क करेगा, तो इसकी रेडियस क्या होगी आपकी, रेडियस होगी आपकी L/2, अग्री और नॉट। सो सरफेस एरिया ऑफ क्यूब मीन्स 6 L square I can write, correct, plus surface area of hemisphere. What is the formula of surface area? Complete will be of 4 pi r square. When we are talking about the hemisphere means 2 pi r square, so it will be 2 pi r will be your L/2 square plus, sorry, minus area of hemisphere means area of this circle, pi r square, which is your L/2, pi r square, and here 2 pi r square. I hope agree. Means see the figure and just let me know that you are getting or not this thing. It is clear to everyone. Now when you will sort out the thing, what it will come, 6 L square, here you can see 2 pi L/2 whole square, pi L/2 means you can sort out by the square also, you can take something common also. So what we can take common here, we can take pi and L/2 square, this I can take common, okay. If it is not visible, so I will write above, I will write above here, this place I will try to write. So what I will take from here, 6L square will be, then I have taken pi L/2 square, I have taken common from here. When you have taken common, what will remain 2, और ये वाला पूरा स्टेप आपका गया, तो मतलब आपके पास ब्रैकेट में क्या बचा, 2 - 1, correct. So what it will be means total we are talking this total shape with the bookish language we are writing, no, that only I am finding, okay. So 6L square plus pi, this one only will be L square upon 4. We will take the LCM to sort out it. So what it will come, 24 L square, because this will multiply here, no, you can take upon 1 also, in that form also you can find that, no problem with that, like that also you can find this plus pi L square upon 4, correct. So when you will take the common, how we can write it, you can take, you can write like this also, means till here also it will be correct. We can write 1 upon 4 24 L square plus pi L square, or you can take L square common, then also we can write L square upon 4 then 24 plus pi, like this also you can write. I hope it is visible to everyone. So this will be our answer, means this will be our required answer. Done. So this I just try to make you understand that what type of condition can be. That depression means inside. If the question will say surmounted, surmounted means it will go upside. Depression means inside cut, surmounted means upside. This figure will come upside. Okay, that time but obvious addition only will come, subtraction part will not come, because this part also will be there. So that time only your positive will be there, addition will be there. Okay, one more question also we will take, try to understand, but like this only to the area only question. I hope it is clear to everyone. Okay, no? And whenever if you have doubts, so kindly you can ask me in the group, in our maths group. Okay, so now we will talk about the one more question. From this exercise only we will talk. So this is your we can take the question number 8 we will try. See, from a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 centimeter and diameter 1.4 centimeter, a conical cavity of the same height and the same diameter is hollowed out. Find the total surface area of the remaining solid to the nearest centimeter square. That the converting part is there to convert in centimeter. The question is moving in the centimeter and the answer should also come that no problem. Behalf of that we will draw the figure. What the question is saying. From a solid cylinder means first we are doing question number 8. Solid cylinder means this type of shape is there, cylinder is there. Correct? And the height also they have given us, which is your 2.4 centimeter, and the diameter means this complete they have given us 1.4 centimeter. If this 1.4 centimeter, so radius will be what? 0.7 centimeter, half, no? Complete. I hope it is visible. Correct? Okay. And then diameter they have given, and this is the same height with the diameter of the hollowed out. Hollowed means आपका यहाँ से तो खुला हुआ है, नीचे का आपका बेस होगा, ठीक है. इसमें वो बोल रहे हैं कॉनिकल कैविटी ऑफ द सेम हाइट. कॉनिकल मीन्स इसमें आपका इस तरीके का कोन आपका आ रहा है. करेक्ट. अब इस तरह का कोन आ रहा है. अगर मैं इसमें बात करूं, अगर मैं शेप को देखने की कोशिश करूं, अगर मैं ये वाला पार्ट रफ कर देती हूँ अपने समझने के लिए, ये चीज हो गई आपका, ये चीज हो गई, तो उसमें देखो अपने को 3 शेप दिखाई दे रही है. अगर आप ध्यान से देखो तो 3 शेप दिखाई दे रही है. क्या? ये तो होल, तो ये तो खुला हुआ है आपका, ठीक है. तो हम निकालेंगे सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द सिलेंडर प्लस CSA ऑफ योर कोन प्लस एरिया ऑफ दिस बेस, क्योंकि ये आपका होलो नहीं है, ये आपका बेस है, तो वो आपका काउंट होगा. तो टोटल व्हेन मींस वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड द if the total surface area of the remaining solid to the nearest centimeter square, or total surface area of the remaining solid, so what we can say, that time we will say we need to find CSA of cylinder plus CSA of cone plus area of base. Because if these things we know, no, कि बेसिकली हमें उसमें से फाइंड करना क्या है, हमारा मेन फॉर्मूला बन के क्या आएगा. सो इट विल बी नॉट टफ टू अस टू फाइंड द होल फिगर एरिया. तो हमने वही देख लिया. इसमें कॉम्बिनेशन में आपका एक सिलेंडर भी था, आपके अंदर कोन भी आ गया. अब इसमें कंप्लीट निकालने के लिए मुझे ये बेस को मैं अवॉइड नहीं कर सकती, मुझे बेस भी लेना पड़ेगा. फाइन. सो दीज 3 ऑल थिंग्स वी आर हैविंग. नाउ फॉर द कैलकुलेशन पार्ट, इफ यू आर गोइंग टू बी सी, देन CSA ऑफ द सिलेंडर. व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ द CSA of the cylinder? It is 2 pi RH. So we have with us R also, we have with us H also. So easily we can put here, means the formula is 2 pi RH. Correct? 2 pi RH. From here easily we can see and we can easily put a formula. Then the next shape, what is the next shape is there? Area of the cone. What is the shape of, what is the formula of the area of the cone? Pi RL. Pi RL. And here it will be pi r square. Means all the things we are having with us, but we do not have L with us. Slant height. If you remember, how to find the slant height? Formula was there. h square plus r square means h is your 2.4 square plus r means 0.7 square. Correct? This you will find. So you will get your value of L with the help of this easily, means the formula with the formula of L. If it is not visible down, then see. Value of H also we are having 2.4 and the value of R also we are having 0.7 square. Okay. Little bit shine is there, so kindly listen me so you will get it. So this value is 2.4 square plus 0.7 square. 2.4 is your H and 0.7 is your R. When you will put them values, so you definitely get the value of L. And here in this formula we require L only. Rest all things we are having with us. Means 2 pi RH, you will put the value. Pi RL, put the value. Pi R square. And add all the things, then you will get your main figure. This is your exercise which questions, 2 questions I have taken, that I have taken from the exercise 13.1 where we will talk about the area. Total area we are finding with the help of combination figure. So there we will, total we are finding, but of this TSA we will not take particular figure. So but of this we have to go for the CSA. Sorry. In CSA we will go for the every figure, means CSA of the cylinder, CSA of the cone, and this base was included. So we will take the area of the base, which is a circle. So pi r square I have taken. Okay. So these type of shapes are there. For the cube also I told you surmounted, and this type of shape will be there. In the cylinder you have seen there, they cut depression is both the side. So that type of figures we are having. So that time we have to put the formula of the area only, which we read in the class 9th only. From exercise 13.2 and 13.3, we are going to talk about the volume combination figures like this, but volume. Here we are talking about the area. Now we will talk about the volume. Okay, and the frustum topic, which exercise 13.4 frustum of a cone was there till last year. Today we do not have in our syllabus. So but obvious, in our anyhow, not in your board exam, not in your home examination, not in your test, anywhere I will not give the topic frustum of cone, which we are not studying also. I have not taught you also this year. Okay, so today we try to complete exercise 13.1. So kindly go through it. Do the question from the NCERT also behalf of this area. Search your question. Do practice because you have the refreshers also with you. So kindly do practice with them to clear your concept. Then tomorrow we'll talk about the exercise 13.2 and 13.3 in the form of volume, in the form of live class, live of the maths class that we will take. So that time we will take the 2-3 questions like that also to sort out the problem. Till do practice, because however this chapter will finish, means like on today I have taken, tomorrow also I will take the class, then must be on the next class, must be on the Wednesday. Then I will take the test of chapter 13 separate. Then I will take the test of chapter 2-3 revision, then chapter test I will take, like usual we are going. Once I will take the test completely, then we will go for the syllabus. But after PT2 only we will continue with the syllabus. First we will go for the revision again. So the concept should be clear for the board examination. Okay. So do proper practice. Next class we will continue our chapter 13 with the exercise 13.2 and 13.2. Till thank you all of you. Take care. Stay safe.